Hello everyone. Let's play some Kerbal Space Program. Now, I am new to this game. I have played for a few hours, but I have not done anything very significant, so I will be learning alongside you. Hopefully, we can make a few rockets. Alright, let's start a new game. Let's see, we'll call this Kerbal 1. Little capsule flag, career mode. Alright. Let's see. Welcome to the Space Center. We've got this. Alright. First things first, let's click around. Vehicle assembly building. I think we need to go to mission control first to pick up a couple of missions. Let's see. I'll grab this. Scientific data from Kerbal and launch our first vessel. Alright. Recover or transmit any science experiment data from Kerbal to achieve this goal. Alright, then let's build something we can stick on the ground and get a little bit of science from. So, use the command pod, and this mystery goo will give us some science. I think that's all we need. Let's call this ground science. Alright, for this first bit, what we're going to do is go to the launch pad, observe our goo. This will give us 3 science. And then we can also click on here, get a crew report. That'll give us another 1.5 science. And I think we can even hop out. So crew transfer EVA. And then while we're out, we can do an EVA report as well and get another 2.4 science. And then just hop back in and recover the vessel. Okay, we got 8 science, or 7 science from that, 6.9, and 8 total science now. Some funds, no experience for Jebediah here. Alright. Now, we will jump back into our VAB. Actually, let's run over to mission control and see what other missions we can get. Escape the atmosphere. Okay, we'll grab that one too. Now we need to build something that will actually fly. But first, let's grab some research. Now that we have our science, we can spend it here. You can either spend it on engineering or rocketry. We're We're going to spend it on engineering because I want this too hot thermometer, which I can use to get a little more science. All right. Let's add our little thermostat on the other side here. Now we'll add a rocket engine and a parachute, because what goes up must come down. And maybe we'll throw on some fins for stability. Use this symmetry tool to do a three-way symmetry. Perfect. And we'll call this one our test vessel. Mark 1. Oh. There. Looks a little better. And then a crew. We'll have Valentina fly this mission. Jebediah got to do the ground science on the other one. Let's see. This SAS, I'm not sure what that stands for, but I'll try to figure it out. But it's basically having your little Kerbal help out on the steering. Okay. Alright, let's start by logging this temperature. Then we're going to launch. But first, we're going to drag this thing over here and pin it, because once we're in the air, we're going to observe this mystery goo. Also, once we're in the air, we're going to do a crew report. So let's keep this up too. And pinned. And then okay, and then we'll get that launch our first vessel contract outdone as well. All right, here we go. Got our crew report done and observed our mystery goo. All right. we're using these fin control surfaces to kind of angle us out toward the water, so we'll splash down. Deployed our parachute. And then we'll have a nice gentle splashdown. Now ideally, in the future we'll want to take temperature and goo samples or observations in multiple little areas. So this water will count as an area. The beach counts as an area. The highlands or mountains counts as an area, and the grasslands as well. Alright, but this mission, after we recover it, will have been a success. And we got 17.9 science from it. Looks like we recovered a bunch of parts. And Valentina gained 1 experience point. Looks like we also gained 25 reputation here. I'm not sure what that does yet. Alright. Well, that'll be it for this mission. I will start a new mission shortly.